Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download Forex systems, Forex robots, Forex strategies, indicators, books, and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the Forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic. So I wanted to upload this video yesterday on Monday, but I actually couldn't because I had a huge hangover. On Sunday I decided to do something that I've never done in my life. I decided to do a trading drunk challenge. Why did I decide to do that? I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube where like makeup bloggers, beauty bloggers, they have this challenge where they try to do, if it's makeup, if this lady is an expert in makeup, then she tries to do a makeup drunk and just see how good she is when she is drunk. And it's funny videos. Maybe you must check them out. And I've also seen like guys who are like professional gamers, and they try to do their gaming whilst they are drinking to just see if they're as good a gamer as they are when they are drunk or when they are sober and stuff like that. So I got curious, like what do I know that I can also try and do whilst drinking? Of course, you don't do like things like drinking and driving and stuff like that. I know driving, but the next best thing that I know is what is trading. Aside from driving, the next best thing that I know that is safe is actually trading. So yeah, I decided how about I trade drunk drinking, and let me see how far I can go. Of course, unfortunately for you and fortunately for me, I've removed the original audio from this video because I don't want the internet to hear my drunk conversations, my drunk speak. The internet doesn't forgive, eh? So yeah, I basically went to my derivative account, the account that I use to trade synthetic indices, boom and crash, volatility index, sorry about that, jump index and stuff like that, and basically made a $20 deposit, as you can see, and I traded the shit out of that. It was basically a few hours and I made I turned that $20 into over $78. Well, that's the nature of these synthetic indices. They move, and if you are on the good side, their good side, well, you tend to make money in a short period of time. Of course, the risks are there, but yeah. So I deposited $20 and started my drinking, and yeah, trading and drinking, trading and drinking, trading and drinking until I got to that. There are some trades that are still open, but anyway, I ended up uh, at around $78. I think that's where I like lost it. I like just lost it. But anyway, so what did I learn from this simple exercise? What I learned is, regarding trading, you need a simple strategy. You need a simple strategy. By the way, the strategy that I used trading this in this challenge, I've linked the video in the description box below. Go and check it out and see if it's going to work for you. If it doesn't, well, but it worked for me regarding this challenge. So go and check out that video. So what I learned is, you actually need a simple to understand strategy that you can use, that does not require you to overthink things. A simple to understand strategy that you can even use when you're drunk. That's what I learned from this challenge. Don't complicate things. Have a simple strategy that even when you're drunk, even when you're sleepy, you can still use to trade the markets. That's what the first thing that I learned. Second thing I learned is, don't overthink things. Sometimes we overthink things when you're sober, or yeah, we just overthink things. So we suffer from what we call analysis paralysis. Analysis paralysis, where now you can see your setup, but you end up thinking about this and that and that and that and that. In the end, you don't take the trade. When I was drunk, I was just like spotting these entries, taking these entries, and not thinking about all the other things around this thing. Of course, I'm not saying take reckless entries. No, I'm just saying avoid getting bogged down with analysis paralysis. I also learned that yeah, if you choose your pairs well, for example, I was trading these synthetic indices, they move fast. If you choose your pairs well, you stand to make money in the markets. Sometimes people choose the wrong pairs. That's why they have to wait 7 days, 20 days in order to see any movement, any money coming in. So avoid pairs that like that move too slow, have high spreads, and things like that. Trade pairs that move so that you can make your money there and there, and you get out of the market. Those are some of the things that I learned from this challenge. Am I going to do this challenge again? Because somebody might think that I was just plain lucky. I don't know. Yesterday I was nursing a hangover. I don't know, but I might want to see if what happened was just pure luck, or maybe something that I can do again when I'm drunk. But anyway, we'll see. So if you want to check out the strategy that I used with this trading, certainly it's in the description box below. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.